Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. I'm very happy to see you here. So we'll start our introduction classes for class 11 and 12 from now onwards. So first chapter here is sets. So it is very useful to your entrance exams, competitive exams at the same time in order to understand the concepts easily. So you are chosen best path, that is Damu Education. So first chapter is sets. So I will give you short introduction note on sets. So what is meant by set, how sets are useful and where it is useful, we are going to see here. So what is a set? So as already known in English word, set means it is a one group. So set means it is a collection of collection of some elements or some objects, whatever it is. So here they are telling that what is definition? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. We have to concentrate well-defined collection objects. So these three terms, well-defined means it is derived with some conditions with certain rules. Collection, it is a one group. Collection means we are collected of objects. Objects means things, materials, whatever you'll have. So a set, usually set representation with roster form. Usually we'll denoted with roster form. This is a roster form. So I will give in next session what are the representations of sets. What are the two methods which used for representation of sets. So set will denoted with always capital letters with the equal and braces opened, and all these elements are with differentiate by commas. So what are the things we need to remember while taking sets? Objects, elements and members of a set are synonyms terms. So here A, B, C, D, E. So these are the collection of five first alphabets. Five first alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, E. So A is a one object. B is a one object. C is object. D is object. E is object here. You can call it A is an element, B is an element, C is an element, D is an element, and E is also an element. Or you can take here members. A is a member, B is a member, C is a member, D is a member, and E is also member. You can take any one word from this in order to say the elements or in order to say the each one in a set. Here why I took numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the even numbers below 12. Even numbers below 12 from the natural numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the members or an elements or an objects. You can say like that. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So sets are denoted with capital letters. As already told, sets are denoted with capital letters. You can take any alphabet letter with capitals. Next, elements by small letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So here small a, small b, small c, whatever the elements you will show in the sets, that should be small letters. Whatever the set is representation, that will be set. Set representation will be capitals. Set elements will be small. Set objects should be small, or set members should be small letters. So here we will use this type of sets here. So n, capital N, natural numbers. So natural numbers are the sets. So natural numbers we will be write it as, so natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Integers. So integers are what you can take minus 2, 0 and plus 1. So natural numbers, let's go into write. So this is the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are the natural numbers. Capital N will be equal to, you can write like this, open braces 1, 2, 3 dot 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 means it is continuously moving, indefinitely it's moving. Integers. So integers capital Z will be equal to dot dot dot. Why dot dot? It is moving in this side also. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on up to indefinite numbers, infinite numbers. So integers is a collection of negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0. 0 is not a negative nor a positive. So for that it is rational numbers, P by Q form. So you can write rational number Q is equals to 1 by 2, 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, whatever rational numbers will be like that. It is in the format of P by Q format. So if you write the number in the format of P by Q, then it is called it as rational numbers. Real numbers. So real numbers is also, you can write like this. Real numbers is a group of all the sets. All the numbers will come under real numbers. Then Z plus, it is shown that positive integers. So positive integers Z plus, let's take here 1, 2, 3 and so on up to. So positive integers is nothing but plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 up to like that. It is known as natural numbers. So positive numbers, positive integers, you can call it as a natural numbers. That is the one. Then Q plus, positive rational numbers. So rational numbers may be minus also. Sorry for that. Here you can take it as minus 5 by 6 also. Minus also you can write P by Q or minus P by Q rational number. Positive means only positive rational numbers. Positive real numbers. It is a collection of positive all the numbers. All numbers come under real numbers. Natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and all irrational numbers also will come under real numbers. In that, if you take positive numbers only, that is positive real numbers. Then what is this one? Belongs to. So it is Greek letter. So small, if this is Greek letter, we can call it as epsilon. And not belongs to means we will cross for the epsilon. Means let's take here belongs to will use for the elements. Element is present in the set or not. So object is present in the set or not. The given member is presented in the given set or not. So let's take belongs to means A belongs to X. So small a is belongs to X set. So first we will write element and belongs to and set. Set. What is the set? So element A belongs to X, B belongs to X, and you can write F does not belongs to X. Why? Because F letter is not there, F object is not there, F a member is not there. So for that you can write element cross the element epsilon, then write the set. So F does not belongs to X. Let's take it 2 belongs to Y, 8 belongs to Y, and 12 does not belongs to Y. Can you write like this or not? Yes, 12 is not there in this. So I took these two examples for explanation of belongs to and not belongs to. So 2 belongs to Y, 8 belongs to Y, 12 does not belongs to Y. Why? Because 12 member is not there. So for that you can write 12 does not belongs to Y. So this is the short introduction class to set. Now we'll see in the next session what are the two methods, representation methods for the sets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe.